Samsung has just made a bold move that many didn't see coming. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has officially launched without any support for the S Pen, and it looks like the company is perfectly fine letting it go. What's surprising is how smoothly this shift has happened. The Fold 7 is already breaking sales records, showing that consumers care more about performance, design, and battery life than about stylus support. Just last year, Samsung started hinting that the S Pen might be on the chopping block. It began with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, where the company removed Bluetooth functionality from the S Pen. Many saw that as the beginning of the end, but now, with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 completely abandoning S Pen compatibility, it's no longer just a hint, it's confirmation. The message is clear: Samsung is choosing to focus on areas where they see real demand. And here's the interesting part: Samsung says that fewer than 0.5% of users actually took advantage of Bluetooth S Pen features. That statistic basically gave the company permission to shift priorities, and now we're seeing the results. The Z Fold 7 is thinner, sleeker, and more durable, all because it doesn't need to make room for a stylus. And the public response? Overwhelmingly positive. In fact, for the first time ever, the Galaxy Z Fold is outselling the Flip variant in global markets. The Fold 7 has become Samsung's best-selling foldable in the US and India, with stock running low in several regions. It's flying off the shelves, and it hasn't even been a month since launch. People are drawn to the Fold 7's slimmer profile, refined hinge, and better thermal management. It's powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, offers improved camera quality, and feels more premium overall, all this while leaving the S Pen behind. Samsung is clearly listening to the silent majority of users who never really cared for the stylus. For those who used it occasionally, it was nice to have but not essential. By ditching it, Samsung gained design freedom and simplified the user experience. It's a trade-off that's working. This isn't just a hardware decision, it reflects a shift in user habits. Phones are getting smarter, software is more intuitive, and handwriting on a display just isn't a must-have for most people anymore. Even Samsung's so-called fan edition of the Fold didn't bother including S Pen support, and no one blinked. The Fold 7 is a clear sign that the company is confident about this new direction. If this trend continues, we might even see the S Pen removed from future Galaxy S Ultra models. And honestly, it probably won't hurt sales. People buy phones for speed, cameras, battery life, and design, not for niche features they rarely use. In the end, Samsung isn't killing the S Pen entirely, but it's definitely stepping back from it. The Fold lineup, once known for its S Pen support, is now leading the charge into a post-stylus era. And based on the sales numbers, that strategy is paying off. It's a new chapter for Samsung's foldables, one where lighter design and smarter features take center stage. So if you're holding out hope for the S Pen's grand return in foldables, it might be time to move on. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 proves that sometimes less really is more. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest in mobile tech.